What is up, you guys? Today we are gonna do a max lens mod test. So that is why I have my Hero 9 Black set up side by side for comparison. So I hear with the max lens mod, you now have 360 horizon lock in camera. How insane is that? Let's check this out. Wow, that is awesome, huh? Alright, what is up, you guys? Ron here and welcome back to the channel. Now, if you're on the internet searching about information on the GoPro Max Lens mod for Hero 9 Black, stop right here because you have came to the right place. Today, I will be sharing with you 3 things that you need to know about the GoPro Max Lens mod, from how to get started, installation, the features and benefits, some side-by-side comparison, all the way to some shooting tips with the Max Lens mod. The video chapters are in the description, so if you want to skip to a certain portion, do check that out. Well, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, the first thing that you need to know is that the Max Lens mod is a hardware attachment to your Hero 9 Black. So allow me to show you how do you install this unit the right way. First and foremost, remove the lens cover from its bottom and place it onto the table as such. Step 2, pick up your Hero 9 Black and remove the lens by simply twisting it off. Once the lens is removed, place it in the lens cover to protect it. Next, you want to align the grooves of the Max Lens mod to the Hero 9 Black like this and simply twist it on till it's locked. And there you have it, your Max Lens mod is now attached to your Hero 9 Black. And what you want to do right now, because it's a hardware attachment, you want to enable the Max Lens mode. So swipe down the preference menu and toggle the Max Lens mode on. And there you have it, your Max Lens mod is now fully installed onto your Hero 9 Black. Alright, now that we've got the Max Lens mod installed, let's dive into some of the features and benefits of the Max Lens mod with some side-by-side comparison. Let's check this out. Now, one of the amazing benefits of the Max Lens mod, as you saw in the earlier video, is that you have 360 horizon lock. So it doesn't matter if I'm doing a flip over here, I'm using the camera upside down, the camera horizon will be leveled. That is amazing. 2 other things that you need to know, with the Max Lens mod, you as well have max super view. So if I'm trying to frame myself up with the building behind me, that is fantastic. Last but not least, with the Max Lens mod, you are also shooting in a higher resolution such as 2.7K, 60 frames a second. So enough talking, let's check out more side-by-side reviews. Alright, let's check out what's under the bridge. Pretty interesting, huh? Alright you guys, last but not least, here is a really interesting tip for shooting with the Max Lens mod. As you saw in the earlier video, I wanted to capture a vertical video for Instagram. So because of horizon lock, it doesn't matter how your camera is oriented so long as the initial position is recorded in the orientation that you want, like this. So it doesn't matter if the camera is vertical, horizontal or even upside down. What will happen is that my video will be oriented in the initial position that you have set it to. How interesting is that? that's it for this week's video, you guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this video just as much as I have enjoyed producing it. So if you like the video, please drop in a comment to let me know what do you think about this. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, hey, what are you waiting for? Subscribe right now for more of such content. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload. Bye! Now, the last thing that I want to mention is that when you're done using your camera, hey, put the lens cover back on to protect your camera. And that's it! Yeah, bye!